overall assessment of her testimony, particularly as it goes to the issue of consent or non-consent?
So two things jump out in my mind. I'm more focused in on her behavior after. We've heard a little bit about narrowing and how when someone's a victim of a sexual assault, they focus in on weird things and things that you think they would remember, they don't. So I think that's not a problem for the prosecution, but it's her behavior after. There's a big difference, I think, between someone who works for someone where they have to report to the office every day. And so if your boss, sexually assaults you, but you don't want to lose your job and you have to interact with them, it's a forced interaction, and you're nice, that's one thing, versus someone, she was initiating a lot of these communications. And she didn't really directly work for him. She was pitching him ideas and hoping to work with him. So I think that's a little different, and I think that people are going to be skeptical of that. The other thing that keeps jumping out in my mind is I would explore her immigration status a little more, because she said that she was worried about coming forward because she went to work for Project Runway on she was on a tourist visa. So you're not supposed to work when you're under that. I'm wondering, I would explore that a little more and see, does she have the protection of a U visa? Because U visas are given to victims of sexual assault. So I know she's gone back to live in London, but when you are illegally in a country, there's consequences to that. Even if you've gone, maybe you're not going to be able to come back anytime in the near future. So I would explore that a little more and see if she was granted that U visa status.